Dear students, let us start with engineering geology today. In BSc 5th semester, your paper 3 is engineering geology. It will be for 60 marks and it has 4 units. The first unit has engineering properties of rocks and soils. Now everyone is aware that what a rock is, right? Rock is a aggregate of minerals. Everybody knows that. When these rocks they get weathered due to physical weathering or chemical weathering, they form soils. Okay, so we are going to study the engineering properties of rocks and soils. We will understand what engineering is first and then understand that what are the properties of rocks in terms of engineering, and that also of soils in terms of engineering. Okay, and then we will understand the soil and soil groups of India, different types of soils that are found in India. Then in unit 2 we will study what dams are. You must have heard about various dams near Pithoragarh also. There in your vicinity there are various dams here. So we will understand how many types of dams are there and the geological and environmental considerations which should be followed for construction of a dam. So when we are studying engineering geology, we will in one way intermingle the concepts of engineering with geology for sustainable development. Okay. Then we will understand the geological problem of reservoirs. Now reservoirs are areas where a lot of water can be stored. That may be a dam or any other structure. So we will study about what reservoirs are and then what are the problems, geological problems that we face for the construction. Okay. Then unit 3rd is geotechnical aspects of tunnels, bridges, hills where roads are built. Okay, hills, hill roads. So how the roads are built in the hills, how tunnels and bridges are built, how dams are built. Okay, and what are the engineering properties and the geological conditions, the considerations which should be taken into account while construction of these structures. We'll study that. Then the last unit, the 4th unit, is causes, types and preventive measures of landslides. So while construction of various engineering structures, we face problems in terms of mass wasting. So there are different types of mass wastings. We will understand what they are. And landslide is a kind of mass wasting. You have seen many a times while coming towards Pithoragarh, the road usually gets blocked due to various mass wastings, and one of the mass wasting is landslide there. So we will understand that while construction of various engineering structures, what are the geological factors that should be considered and what are the preventive measures which can be taken to get rid of landslides. Okay, so there are 10 books which are recommended to you. One is by Professor K.S. Valdia, Environmental Geology in Indian Context, and then you're also asked to study this book, Mineral Exploration by Rajendran. This will help in engineering considerations also. Then Arogya Swami, Krenin and Judd and Bell. These are various books. Among these, this book and this book, these two books are available in the library of the college. You can get it from there, and I'll provide you with the soft copy of this book and of F.G. Bell. Okay, I will be providing you with the soft copies of various books which you will find useful to study, and we will also use the complete PPTs which I'll be presenting, or the lectures that we will be hearing. It will be involving the material taken from these books only, majority of the material. Okay, so let us start with unit 1, which has engineering properties of rocks and soils, and soil groups of India. So today we will begin with the engineering properties of rocks. Various references are used in preparation of this lecture today. Here you can see a tunnel. This is the Pir Panjal tunnel, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. You must have seen various tunnels physically also, if you have been to such places, and if not, then you using the TV channels, movies, and that also you can see various engineering structures. So you must have seen various tunnels there. Let us come near to our college, that is Pithanagar. So when we go north towards Dharchula, everybody of you must have heard about this dam, because there were various environmental considerations which were talked of. So a dam known as Dhauli Ganga Dam has been built here. It has been made considering